this is what I wanted to show you. Hello, this is Lucas from One Miners. And you know, we love miners and we love mining. We overall love power-hungry things. And today I brought in one of our servers, because aside of mining, we are slightly into AI servers. This is AMD EPYC platform. It's SP3. We are also building some SP5. We are using these 5090s consumer GPUs because they are affordable and rather easy to obtain on the market. Built in progress basically, because we need to replace the cooler or CPU. This is one of our first versions of AI server. It's designed for high performance computing. This is basically a culmination of everything we learned on GPU mining. It's about 32 gigabytes of VRAM per GPU. That means 128 gigabytes of VRAM on total system. That can give you about 50 billion parameters or up to 50 billion parameters models running on a machine in full precision. Let's take a look inside. Overall, this is basically a ASIC miner design. You can see in front we have a 3 high RPM industrial fans. These fans are same like on Bitcoin miners. On the back there are dual ITX and PSU. Each is 1600 watts, and in total this machine can draw almost 3 kilowatts. Let's open it. Yes. I can share also some temperature measurement. Okay, this is it. This is how AI homebrew AI server looks at home. There are 2 NVMe slots inside. You could put in one PCI Express card for networking. Otherwise, these motherboards are having already 2 10 gigabits Ethernet ports plus 1 management port. Yeah, you heard correctly. This thing has remote management. So you could install, reboot, power cycle or whatever from your chair, and this thing is humming somewhere in data center. Let's remove the CPU because I need to do so, because I need to send it to customer. This is actually great Noctua fan. Oh, Noctua cooler, but the problem with this cooler, it doesn't fit into U4 case, which is standard rack case, and also the way how the airflow goes with this cooler is like 90 degrees of the way, so it doesn't work for us. And this is our proper cooler into this case. This is actually not bad cooler, but nothing super. It's not Noctua. I prefer Noctua, but like I have what I have. This is ARCTIC SP3 cooler, and there is also version for SP5. They are looking basically the same, and this one perfectly fits into this case. Yes, so yeah, I'm not going to show you our process because it's basically the same like with any computer. Feel free to drop some question in comments, and don't forget like, comment, subscribe.